What's up, D?
Good.
How you doing? I'm well, man. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on over. What's going on, everybody? We're here. Today, we're going to be talking about how to drape a client. We have our buddy Duzang here. What you're going to need for this is you're going to need a cape and Sanex, also known as neck strips. When it comes to draping a client, it truly is an art form as well. The way you throw the cape over, you got to make sure that the throw is nice and consistent. You're not gonna bonk your client in the head by accident. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna practice whipping it like so. And when it comes up and over, you can even whip it down as well. Gives you a nice professional feel knowing that you're in really great hands. So before we start off with this tutorial, what we're going to showcase are the different type of capes. So right here we have our button snap. As you can see, the pros and cons of this, sometimes clients might not have an option where it might fit, like some thicker neck clients or even some thinner neck clients like kids. Sometimes the button snap might not be a really good option. On the other end of the spectrum, we also have the waffle strap. Let's just call it the waffle strap. So what I mean by that is you can see how this is nice and stretchy, and you'll be able to attain a nice custom fitting to whichever client you have. So it doesn't have presets. You could already just loop on that little metal slatch there. And same on the other side, you just button that into place. It just slides into place. Let's talk about cape hygiene. So before we end up bringing it all together, make sure that your capes are all sanitized. Make sure you wash them once a week. I like having an alcohol spray on the side. So in between clients, what I like doing is getting my alcohol spray. I like spraying the inside of the neckline here. A lot of sweat ends up accumulating in this neckline, and you want to make sure that this is clean and sanitized every single time you use your cape. What I like doing, I like having two capes in rotation. One cape is already sanitized and ready to go, and once you finish with this cape, what you'll do is you'll take it off like so, and you'll just sanitize this neckline here, and then you could put this cape away, get your other cape, and get to work. So let's show you guys how to properly throw this cape over with grace. You see how that cape just falls nice and neat. You'll get your neck strip. These neck strips have a lot of elasticity, so what I like doing when it comes to this, I like stretching it out like this, placing it around the neck. Nice and neat, not too tight where you're gonna choke out your client. You're okay, Duzang? This is all right? Yeah. So we'll bring this out, over, bring this out and over. I like focusing on just halfway through the neck strip. And the reason why is we'll fold this neck strip over so that hair doesn't fall beneath the cape. So everything gets locked and trapped right above this cape here. Nothing falls over. And to take it off, once you're finished with everything, unbutton this, take off your neck strip, roll it up. The right thing to do is you throw it in the trash. A lot of us just throw it on the floor, and that's it. Sanitize your cape, spray, and there you have it. And that's how you drape a client.